I mean, I'm not exactly sure what to do, but I know that I think I could do it with you.
We don't have to dive right into the deep end. We can go slow, toe by toe, 'cause you're doing it with a friend.
We're not birds of a feather, but we could still do this together. Yep, that's the noise you make. We're not birds of a feather, but we could still do this together.
Gorgeous. Swim by swim, just a little deeper still. Nobody ever got me, but maybe you will.
I get you.
And now that we can scatter our CGTA,
Yep, you got 'em all in a different way.
Yeah!
Birds of
A feather, but we can do this together.
We're not birds of a feather,
Of a feather,
we can still do this together.
we can do this together. And watching you soar makes me always happy that we opened the door. And now watching you sing makes me happy we shared that really crazy thing. We're not birds of a feather.
Do this together with your razor sharp feet claws that look like they could cut open a cow. We're not birds of a feather, but we can still do this together.
Do this together. So now, is everything us?
Yeah, like what do we do? Honestly, we're not sure either.
Now, is everything me? Is everything you? Have we made it better from where it was together?
If we're here, then maybe what we do is put an intention in the pool, a thing for everything to do. Does it work like that? Depends what you know about DNA. So let's say yes, it works that way today. Not birds
Not birds of a feather.
we can do this
We
together.
can do this together.
We're not birds of a
Not
feather, but we can still do this together.
Do this together. Oh no, there's birds coming from everywhere.
What do birds hate? Orbs.
Do birds hate?
Yeah, it's why they get out of eggs so fast and fly away.
Okay, so you two, do you?
We're more of omnipotent watching types.
But we are supposed to guard lives. I guess we could be little orb distractions for all these thousands of birds that burst through that window. Peter, is it still open? Peter, is the window... Go check.
I could swear I closed it. Because I remember I saw it and I thought, you were supposed to close that.
Yes.
Let me go check. Yeah, it's still open. Hold on one second. Okay, now it is closed.
But there are so many birds in here. Tweet, tweet.
Oh, but look, they seem to be scared of you.
Of me?
Yeah. Okay, now they're all flying trying to get back into the window, but the window is closed now. So I'm gonna open the window. Okay. Open.
Peter,
Scare it
Peter,
again. Scare it
Peter,
again. The
Peter,
window's open.
Stay by the window.
Okay.
Peter, stay by the
I
window.
definitely will. Open.
Run!
Oh, good. They're so scared and they left. Great job. Everyone did a really good job.
Peter?
What? The window, yes. Right, okay, yes, absolutely. Okay, good. You've both put your DNA and your intention to make everything normal back through the world. That should be good.
You closed the window and no birds,
No
not
birds
even,
are
no
here.
birds, not even.